In an environment heavily dominated in academia, we present to you BVPINC, a team of strong minded, competent students with an eye for business as well as technology, hoping to establish an environment where everyone works to bring positive changes in the corporate world. We have a constant desire to push budding entrepreneurs forward and welcome them back with open arms. The BVP INC student chapter actively supports startups and new ventures initiated by students at the college level. We help students in enhancing their knowledge on various career related issues and also help them to come out of the shell of oblivion. Meet your team. We'll be with you with every step you take with us. Our society has actively introduced unique and enlightening events in the past. Auction in Action. The team of BVPINC planned this event with the sole aim of enhancing funds handling skills among college students. We believe that to step into the corporate world in near future, students must have a hands-on experience of negotiating and pitching at various levels possible. All the teams were provided with a fixed amount of virtual cash at the starting of the competition. This cash was utilized in the course of three rounds, which were the bidding round, assets negotiation round, and the pitching round. The Merchant of Stock events. The team of BVPINC student chapter collaborated with the Lal Street Investment Journal for the most weighted event of the year, the Merchant of Stocks, a mock stock competition which aimed at providing its participants with an insight in the life of investors dealing with this gamble of stock every day. The event took place online through the web application provided by the DSIJ. Then, BVPINC student chapter successfully organized an event on women in entrepreneurship, led by Ms. Sharmila Singh, who is the head of development system technology at Siemens Technology India. The event guided students about the current scenario of women working in the corporate sector, discussed challenges faced by the women trying to make it in the sector, and guided students into tackling these challenges. The next event, that is 360-degree. Money in one form of power, but what is more powerful in financial education for the hustle? When you're financially educated, you become financially independent. So, believing in this concept, we organized 360-degree Finance, a certified workshop, which our speaker CA Akshay Nagpal resolved queries of our young entrepreneurs trying to manage their monthly assets. It was the very first webinar that was conducted under the Financial Independence series. Many more webinars are on its way. Now, the Challenge X event. The business model canvas is a shared language of describing, visualizing, accessing, and changing business models. It describes the rationale of how an organization creates, delivers, and captures value. Thus, to encourage the use of such effective business tool, BVPINC organized Challenge X as a unique event that followed participants to access their business ideas with a business canvas template. The winners were awarded with prize worth Rs 3000. All these events witnessed massive support and participation from students all over the country. We are motivated to cultivate young entrepreneurs with experience through such events. Joining our society will also introduce the perks such as providing a stage for more networking opportunities, personal guidance session from renowned corporate names. Best performance will be awarded every month with technical and non-technical courses and many more. You get a chance to connect with professionals with big firms to get a gist of the corporate sector. You can expand your connections with discussions with corporate engineers and startup entrepreneurs. You can build your professional profiles and learn to self-promote yourself with the best companies. BVP INC is a supporting team that will help you with notes, exams, every college-related problems. Earn a certificate of excellence and letter of recommendations for your CVs. Learn the basic principles of finance and how to grow your assets before everyone else from the best mentors and speakers in this field. Are you into organizing events? Join our event and be a leader. There's much more waiting for you. To know more, find us online through our social media handles or the phone number shown on the screen. We can't wait for you guys to join our family.